Cooking with Humor 24. We're gonna try a sandwich in the George Foreman grill. Yeah, so stick along. Let's see if it works good or what. So yeah, guys, first we're gonna put the burger. Yes. I've been missing in action. I missed this guy. Had a little something going on, but we're back. So now, let's make this food. And this ain't making no food. This ain't really cooking nothing. But guess what? We gonna cook it up in the George Foreman grill. Let's see how that goes. Just had that craving for sandwich. Jamón con queso. Ham and cheese. There you go, mumbling. Leave me alone. Let's see what's good. Oh, I'm gonna put two different cheese. I'm gonna put this one and I'm gonna put that one. Let's try it. How that tastes. Little mix up there. Try something. Trying something new, my friend. Wake up breakfast, ready, hungry. You ain't got no time to start making and cook. This is the fastest and easiest breakfast. Ham sandwich. Ham. This one is good too. Put this away. Put this away. And one more thing, you can't leave home without it. Guess what? Mayo. Let's see what this be about. So we got the mayo. Now we're gonna see George Foreman grill has a little button back here. You can see it, and I'm not sponsoring this or nothing. I'm just showing you. Well, this little button you can't really see, but you click on it. This thing is super fast, so we gotta make this super fast. Let's see how it works. Add some of these chips. That is perfect. Yes, y'all want to see me do dishes? Okay, yeah, right there. Leave it alone. Leave her alone. I gotta be watching out for that, so I'll let you know. And these are my superhuman powers from Marvel. Ta-da! Oh, shut up! That's effects. It's gotta be done. Beautiful. Not recommended. Only I can. I'm a professional. This thing is fast. Yes, sir. Now we're gonna go taste test. We're gonna go taste test first. Put the cheese away. I know that. Ding 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 boom bing bing boom 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 boom. We're gonna taste it on the George Foreman grill. I like my glaze. Let's see.
So good they get knocked out.